If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error code 399, don't worry. This is usually a sign that something is blocking the login or verification process, and in many cases, it can be fixed very quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get back into your account without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, verify that you have entered the correct two-factor authentication code. Double check the code carefully before submitting it, because even one wrong digit can trigger the error. If you're using an authenticator app, make sure you're typing in the most recent code and not an expired one. If you're receiving the code by text message or email, confirm that you're using the latest one and that it matches exactly. Next, disable any VPN you may have turned on. Sometimes x.com or Twitter can flag VPN traffic as unusual activity, and that can cause login errors like code 399. Turn off the VPN completely, refresh the page, and try signing in again without it connected. If you're on a mobile device, also make sure your network connection is stable and that you're not switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data while logging in. After that, try again after some time. In some cases, this error is temporary and resolves on its own once the server or account security check resets. Wait a little while, then come back and try the login or verification process again. Those are the main fixes for x.com or Twitter error code 399. If the code is correct, the VPN is off, and you've waited a bit, the issue often clears up on its own. I hope this helped you get back into your account. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides.